Hello, just hack video again for this one is the harness machine for working on saddles, webbing straps, heavy materials. The thread weight, you can go from a CB69 light upholstery thread to a heavy 415 weight harness thread. And some of the features are long needle, high lift. This lifts about 7/8 of an inch, so you can sew almost up to, pretty much up to 3/4 of an inch. And has a DC servo motor that allows us to bring the speed right down to 200 RPM, which is crawling. And you can see just crawls along. Very long stitch length, which is just operated by this dial here. And reverse. That's a model CK-441. There's some samples. Thick leather. Big felt with leather on it. That's it.